Part 2 for the master list or the 7th, 8th grade test. We have clavicle or the collarbones. We have the scapula as the shoulder blades. We have the spine along the back. When we get down to the back side here, this is your sacrum, and then the tailbone here is the coccyx. And if we look at it from the front, here we have clavicle, we have the scapula, we have the spine, we have the sacrum here, and then the coccyx here at the tip. When we go up to the rib cage, so we have the ribs, but then we have the true ribs, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, because that cartilage comes directly to the sternum. And then we have 8, 9, and 10. Those are your false ribs. And then kind of tucked under there, we have those two floaters, number 11 and 12, those floating ribs. In your upper arm, we have the humerus. Along the thumb side, we have that radius. And then we have the ulna here on the inside. Remember that ulna, if we look up in here, is that curved bone in your elbow. Get down to the wrist. Here we have carpals. We have the metacarpals, and then we have the phalanges or the fingers. And then the add-on for this list, instead of just pelvis, so this is the pelvic bone, but it has 3 different bones to it. So the top bones here are the iliums. We have the pubic bone here in the front, and then on the bottom side, both we have the ischiums. So ilium, pubic, ischium. Okay. And then the lower leg, we have femur, we have patella, we have the tibia, the fibula on the outside. And if we turn our foot to the side, so we call the ankle bones the tarsals, but we need to be a little more specific. So this larger bone that is our heel is the calcaneus. The bone inside here on top of the calcaneus and below the tibia and the fibula here is called the talus. And then as we move towards the toes, we have the metatarsals and the phalanges. Okay. And I think the last thing I almost missed here, so the sternum has 3 parts to it. So we have the manubrium up top, we have the sternum or the body of the sternum here, and then the little tip at the bottom is the xiphoid process. All right, so good luck studying, guys. Use your sheets, practice labeling, watch the videos, and we'll review this and study next week. Have a good weekend.